I welcome all of you on Yourpedia, and all of you are aware that a very good opportunity has come for you, and that is in the form of examiner patent and design. So the best part about this job is like so 4 months, 3-4 months, and you get a job. Preliminary starts on 3rd September, mains 1st October, into 11th and 12th November, result declared 17th November. You just see the kind of timeline these people have. Syllabus is very clearly given, previous year's question papers are given, wonderful module by Yourpedia is there. Age is 35 years, those of you who are 30 plus and looking for the great opportunity to get into government job, I think nothing can be better than this. इतना अच्छा अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं होता है जिसमें 4 मंथ्स का एफर्ट एंड उस टाइम पे एग्ज़ाम जब और कोई एग्ज़ाम नहीं है, मतलब आपके गेट वगैरह के साथ क्लैश नहीं है, बाकी मेजर एग्ज़ाम कोई नहीं है, ISRO का डेट नहीं आया है, and you are not busy anywhere, so this is the best time you can put effort and convert it. And believe me, इतना ही टाइम चाहिए एग्जाम को क्रैक करने के लिए. जितने भी बाकी स्टूडेंट्स हैं, they are also having similar preparation as your preparation. So if you think उनका preparation बहुत ज़्यादा है, it is not like that. Now strategy has to be like every day you have to demarcate some topics and you have to parallelly prepare that. सब टॉपिक्स को पैरेलल में चलाना है और एग्जाम के दिन तक तैयारी करते रहना है. प्रीलिमिनरी इज नॉट द मेन थिंग, मेंस इज द मेन थिंग. आपको डिस्क्रिप्टिव एग्जाम है और मेंस ही क्रैक करना इज द मेन थिंग, क्योंकि प्रीलिमिनरी में ओनली 11,000 स्टूडेंट्स 11,000 स्टूडेंट्स का प्री क्लियर होगा, तो जो भी तैयारी करके थोड़ी सी देगा उसका क्लियर हो जाएगा. मेन डिफिकल्टी विल कम इन मेंस बिकॉज 2500 स्टूडेंट्स ओनली विल गो टू इंटरव्यू स्टेज. ऐसे एग्जाम्स जो बहुत ही कम ड्यूरेशन के होते हैं, 3-4 मंथ्स के ड्यूरेशन के होते हैं, दीज एग्जाम्स चेक योर टाइम मैनेजमेंट skills and very good preparation content for you, जिसमें कम पढ़ के आपका मैक्सिमम मार्क्स आए. कंटेंट पार्ट Yourpedia is taking care of. Schedules and time management you are to see and be motivated. And I have seen that many students have started getting frustrated that syllabus is huge, we are not in position to cover. This is the main game of this particular exam. When you see lot of syllabus and when you have not covered all the things, then you start getting demoralized. You are not to do that. You have to complete it and you have to cover it up so that you get better than others. बाकियों से थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा. And till exam in these, because syllabus is huge, till the exam day आपको बहुत ज़्यादा confidence नहीं आएगा. So don't worry, confidence नहीं भी है, keep putting your effort. You will keep on feeling that there are so many things I have not covered, but don't worry about that. आप करते जाओ, you keep on doing it till the exam, and suddenly you will find your preparation was not up to the mark, but you cleared preliminary. Similarly, you will say that my preparation was up to the mark, but I cleared the mains. Those of you who will put effort, even if you will not get confident because syllabus is huge and time is less, you will clear the stages. So the only mantra is keep preparing and keep giving your 100% and follow the things which mentors are telling you. Just follow that and सब subjects को parallelly चलाओ, तैयारी करो. स्ट्रैटेजी उन्होंने बताया है, जो क्लासेस चल रही हैं उनको अटेंड करते जाओ. डोंट गेट फ्रस्ट्रेटेड, जस्ट बी काम विद द काम माइंड, कीप प्रिपेयरिंग, एंड 17th November विल ऑल एंजॉय and will get a government job, very good, wonderful government job. All the very best. Thank you.